What is your biggest dream right now? Is it making money, working remotely from the comfort of your home, or being your own boss? Don't worry, today's video is for you. In today's video, we're going to be getting into the world of virtual assistant jobs, what they are, how you can find them, and how you can get into this growing field. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinyere, and I coach and teach virtual assistant and digital marketing, aka affiliate marketing. And on this channel, I share content on how to make money online, remote job, side hustles, visa sponsorship jobs. This information that I share can be applied by anyone, no matter where you are in the world. If this is the kind of videos that you're looking for or content that you seek for, you are welcome to join our community. You already know what today's video is all about, right? So let's jump right into it. By the way, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not, like, comment, and share this video. Now let's get straight into it. I want to start today's video by breaking down the word virtual assistants, aka VA. The word virtual means to do something from a location where you're not present. It means you're virtual, you're remote. The word assistant means support. It means that you're a solver of a problem. It means that you're assisting to do something. So when you add these two words together, virtual and assist, it gives you virtual assistants, right? What that literally means is that you're supporting a business owner, an individual, a brand remotely without your presence. It means that you can sit in your home, you can be on the island, you can be on a cruise journey, as long as you have an access to your phone, an internet, or your laptop, you can comfortably deliver on your tasks. Now that you understand what this means, for you to start this journey, there are a few things that you need. You need the right training. And if you're not already a virtual assistant and you want to become one, you want to register for my 45 days virtual assistant training, where I'm literally teaching you, holding you by your hands, and helping you figure out this industry. Now, when you're done and you have all of the skill sets, the next thing you need to do is to create a service. However, with my virtual assistant training, you won't be doing this by yourself. I'll be guiding you on how to do this. But you need to create a service. So assuming you've taken a training, maybe you've done ALX training or other virtual assistant courses or training, which is totally fine. You can now create your service that you can offer to a potential business owner. Let's assume that you're a VA, you have created your services. Now what next? Watch this video to the end because I'll be highlighting every single thing that you need to know and do to get your clients. It's also important that you understand that as a virtual assistant, you're an independent contractor. What this means is you can work for different clients and support them. Becoming a VA automatically means that you're a problem solver. A good place for you to start is to consider also what generally interests you. Are you interested in social media marketing? Are you interested in content creation? Are you interested in marketing itself? Are you interested in digital marketing? Now that you know what you want and have a service you can offer, the first approach I need you to use in getting your virtual assistant job is cold emailing. This strategy has never failed anyone and it's not going to fail you. A lot of businesses and content creators are looking for VAs, like a lot of companies are looking for VAs. That's to tell you that virtual assistants are in demand. The thing is, most of these people do not even know where to find VAs from. Now, as a professional in the field, you can pitch your services. And the easiest way to find the contact details of company, the contact details of those that will be needing your services is to visit their social media handle. Most company has like their email address. Most content creators, most business owners that need your support or your service have their email address, their phone number in their social media description. And you can literally get their contact details from their social media platform and pitch your services to them. However, before you do this, ensure that you have gone through their platform to see what their problem is and how best you can solve it. Then use that as a strategy to pitch your service to them. In this video, I'm going to drop a pitching message that you can modify to suit yourself to send it to potential business owners. Now, When sending this, remember that also it's a job you are applying. Target to send 5 to 10 pitch messages every day to business owner. Do this for the next 1 month and come back here and give me your testimony, because this works. Like, this literally work. Now, another place you can pay attention to is their comment section. You can look at the comment section of potential business owners. You can look at the comment section of content creators. And trust me, there are people there that you can also pitch your service to. Another way you can get your virtual assistant job is offering free value. This is another method that can help you get VA jobs with ease. For example, you're watching this YouTube video. Imagine after watching it and you reach out to whoever video it is and you're saying, oh, I looked through your video, your thumbnail is not so good. You prepare a thumbnail. This strategy was what actually got my video editor his job. That's because he came to my YouTube channel, checked my video, saw videos that I could have edited properly, edited them and sent to me. That was how he was able to pitch to me. This shows that he knows my problem. He was able to see my pain points and created a solution for it. Now, because he has created a solution, what does that mean? I feel dependent on him. Now, even if you're going to do this as a free service, you can propose to help this particular business owner for like a month or two. Then after that, you can talk about converting it to being a paid job. Now, the third strategy that I need you to use to get your VA job is to leverage websites. There are so many websites you can leverage on when it comes to getting VA jobs. There are websites like Upwork.com, we have Fiverr, we have virtualassistjobs.com, and so many other. Let me know in the comment section if you need me to like do a proper detailed video of where you can find virtual assistant jobs, and I would do that for you. I know a lot of people who have used Upwork, Fiverr to get jobs, and they are earning massively from it. If you feel like this platform has not really favored you, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be sure to bring out a proper video on how you can leverage this website. One of my students was telling me the other day that she has done over 20 jobs on Fiverr. That is the power of being coached by the right coach, right? Or having the right resources and community around yourself. Now, the fourth thing you can do as a virtual assistant to get a job is to niche down, but I'm going to explain this. As a beginner, don't focus on niching down too much. Why? Get your first client first. Then by working, you can gradually begin to think of other areas that best interest you. So do this. If you're going to pick a niche, consider related areas close to your area of interest. So let's assume you're interested in social media management, right? And a social media manager, you can do things like content writing, you can do things like editing, you can do things like graphic design. So if you're going to niche down, choose niches that are relatively close so that you can have multiple options and do multiple things and earn in multiple ways. Do not niche down to one field. There are also few niches that you can also focus on as a virtual assistant. Things like administrative virtual assistant. As an administrative VA, you're going to handle general office tasks. You're going to provide support to a particular business owner, an entrepreneur, or executive. Your duty as an administrative virtual assistant is managing email, scheduling appointments, making travel arrangements, data entry, organizing file. These are very essential because they help keep day-to-day operations of a business owner and help them to run smoothly. Now, you can also become a social media virtual assistant. As a social media VA, you manage things like social media handle for businesses or individual. This would include you scheduling posts, creating content, responding to their messages, monitoring their engagement, and helping them grow their social media handle. Now, they may also need you to create graphics. They may also need you to like write copy for their social media handle and all of that. That is why I said, even if you're going to niche, ensure to like have multiple services that you can offer that would give you job over time. Another field you can go to is customer support assistant. As a customer service representative, you help to like provide product information, process order, resolve problem. This role is often good for somebody who is good in communication. You have problem-solving skill because you'll be doing this almost every day in your job. Another niche you can consider is video editing. They are very good with video editing for like YouTube, social media, marketing campaign, educational purpose. What you'll be doing in this field as a VA is to like enhance the video of the creator you're working with or a brand. Also, let me know which of these strategy you're already using, and I look forward to seeing it in the comment section. If you have not already seen my previous video where I talked about side hustles for 2025, you want to check this out.